a lot of folks here taking pictures. Das war Absicht. There's a lot of folks here taking pictures. And I don't mean to sound racist, but most of them are Asian, with cameras dangling from their wrists. Most of the people here are tourists. Some of them are staff, some ponder and great awe, some chuckle and some laugh. But what's going on in the mind of the selfie stick salesman? What's going on in the mind of that guy? Yeah, what's going on in the mind of the selfie stick salesman? What's going on in the mind of that guy?
Sitzen da zwei extrem talentierte Sänger in der ersten Reihe, singen die ganze Zeit mit und da ist ein Mikrofon, das keiner benutzt. Ich sag's nur kurz an, dass es jeder auch weiß, dass jetzt der Quatsch auch ist.
There's couples kissing and fighting, the young ones and the who. Most of them turn quiet as the scenery unfolds. Jetzt ist eure Chance. But what's going on in the mind of the selfie stick salesman? What's going on in the mind of that guy?
Seid so feige.
What's going on in the mind of the selfie stick salesman? What's going on in the mind of that guy? We've seen it a million times. To him it's really up to who's gonna work here every day, singing the selfie stick salesman blues. But what's going on in the mind of the selfie stick salesman? What's going on in the mind of that guy? Yeah, what's going on in the mind of the selfie stick salesman? What's going on in the mind of that guy?